Okay, so this is an unboxing of the supporting hardware for the V Personal Conversational Running Coach. And it can work without this device, but it gives it more biometrics like heart rate and things. I don't know why, and I can probably get an answer to this as to why this is needed if you've got an Apple Watch and such like. But it's got integrated headphones with Harman Kardon sound. Pretty good. They're a really good top-end brand. So I'm showing this because I'm very, very interested in conversational AI and digital coaches, and V is quite exceptional. So let's look at the box. It's beautifully done. So over here it says a little tag here. It says, hey, okay, so I pull that. It's magnetic. A nice soft point there. Open that baby up. And so then when you get this next stage, it's almost there. Now, it's interesting. My 8-year-old pulled this enthusiastically. It's pretty fun. It did tear away, not the cleanest way, but it's still pretty slick. Now, the overall experience here, it says, hey there, I can't wait to meet you. All right. Now, it says open me, charge me. Okay, so I went to here. What does this look like? All right, that's the device. This you hang around your neck, and it's got this really beautiful clip system, so they fit in like that. You can hold them like this, fairly smooth. Also, the controls here, plus and minus and stop, is for playing music. So you can play Spotify music here, and the coach will come in and talk to you conversationally, and it does a thing called ducking, where it lowers the volume of the music you're playing as well as talking, and so you get this ability to hear the music all the time and still hear what they're saying rather than stopping it completely. Now on the end here, there's a couple of interesting things. On the end here we have a little thing that says pull to charge. See if we can just see that. Okay, you actually pull that out and guess what? There's a USB port there. So that's how you charge it. And when you turn it on, which you hold down this baby here, it beeps and it vibrates now. Got these little, you have a little light there. So you see it flashing, it's waiting. If you hold it down, it'll go into pairing mode. You press that button, it goes into pairing mode. There's this you hang around your neck, and these headphones, in terms of in-ear headphones, they're very good, I'd say. Now over here we've got, what else? We've got, and it's charged out of the box, which is great, so you can use it day one. Now what's interesting here is, of course, the first thing I did was I turned on these things, and I started listening, and it said, hey, just as it shows here, it said, I can't wait to meet you. So I went through the out-of-box journey through that. There's actually a README over here, and this is actually better. It's actually clearer, because I'd actually use V without this first, and it tells you what to do. And although it's incredibly simple, those are the instructions that I would recommend you follow. Now, here over in the UK, you can buy this for 130 quid. And the argument is that this is a conversational trainer that helps you keep fit and run against your goals. It integrates with Strava, so it's different. It's not a competitor. And it is, V is a female voice who encourages you to talk. I've got a blog post where I share a full session, and you can hear samples of the voice, and it's very coachy. When you're running hard, it'll yell at you, and if you're running on a chillax jog thing, it'll be, hey, look, that's good, but slow down. Very, very cool. So now, that's the charger, nothing special there. Little bag that, of course, my youngest immediately took away and started playing with. And that's where you just put this thing in here. All right, carry that around. And in here, this beautiful little pill is actually just a collection of all the different heads you can put in for different ear sizes. So that's the customization option. All right, so I'm actually found out of the box for my ears, worked perfectly well. So there we go, that's the experience, and I've got a separate article on what this actually is like as a running coach, which is sneak preview. It's exceptional. Very, very interesting. I'm not a runner, and now I'm running, so it's that good.